Soroban note number 2 from the Visual Math Institute. In this note we're going to continue to follow the evolution of the Soroban beyond the 5 bead. Consider this tableau. We have 4 tokens on the table, and if we look at this and ask how many, we can say it's 4 without counting. We do not have to say 1, 2, 3, 4 while pointing to them. We can guesstimate very accurately using the human ability called subitizing. We subitize this set of tokens and immediately recognize it as the set 4. And newborn infants can do this, and as adults we can only do a little bit better. Now here we have a similar tableau with more tokens. If we try to figure out how many tokens there are here, we would have to count, because a normal adult cannot subitize so many tokens. This set has 5 plus 4 is 9. So we can subitize the smaller sets and not the larger sets. Now here is a trick to help with counting. If we can gather some of the poker chips in a group of 5, and then we subitize the 5 and subitize the 4, and use mental arithmetic, 5 plus 4 is 9, we can then get to the number of this set without actually counting. We substitute for counting multiple subitizing plus mental addition. So in this image we have exactly the same tableau, but we have stacked up the group of 5 tokens into a stack like this, easier to manipulate. Now we can't subitize the number of tokens in the stack, but if we've agreed that we never make a stack with more or less than 5, then we will know that stack, it consists of 5 tokens. So again we see 5 plus 4 is 9 tokens total. Here's the same tableau, except for the stack of 5 units we have substituted a single red chip. We'll call it a 5 chip. So again we can subitize and use mental arithmetic. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now here's a tableau with even more tokens. Let's try to gather these unit chips in groups of 5. So we have one group of 5, and the remaining chips are too numerous to subitize, but we don't want to count them, so we continue gathering chips in groups of 5, and first replace the stack of 5 unit chips with this red 5 chip, and the remaining unit chips are still too numerous to subitize. So we gather 5 of them into a second stack of 5, and that leaves behind the lower group of unit chips, which is sufficiently small to subitize. So this second group of 5 chips can now also be replaced with a red 5 chip. And looking at this, we can see 2 5s and subitizing 4. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. So now, using mental arithmetic and subitizing in place of counting, we have determined the numerosity of this set as 14. As a final step, let's combine the 2 5 chips, the red ones, with a single blue chip understanding that as a 10 chip. So blue replaces 10 unit chips, so even more quickly now we can subitize 14 using subitizing and mental arithmetic. And so going on in this way, how many is this? 10 and 10 is 20, and 5 is 25, and 4 is 29. This much mental arithmetic we still have to use. So please practice this by throwing unit chips onto the table, grouping in 5, replacing 5s with reds, replacing reds with blues, and so on. It's up to you.